Welcome to this thrilling adventure, inspired by Jules Verne's masterpiece, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Join me as we embark on a perilous journey to uncover the mystery of the legendary sea monster. Introduction. For months, rumors have spread across the seas. Sailors whisper tales of a terrifying sea creature, an unknown beast capable of sinking mighty ships. Is it a gigantic whale, a monstrous serpent, or something else entirely? This is the mystery that drives our heroes to embark on their daring expedition. Meet the characters. Before we set sail, let's meet our key explorers. Professor Aronnax, a brilliant marine biologist, fascinated by the unknown creatures of the deep. He believes that studying this mysterious being could lead to groundbreaking discoveries. Ned Land, a skilled harpooner, brave but skeptical. He sees the monster as a threat that must be eliminated before it destroys another ship. Commander Farragut, a seasoned naval officer, determined to hunt and destroy the so-called sea monster before it claims more lives. Together, they form a formidable team, ready for the adventure ahead. Setting sail, the frigate sets out across the vast ocean, its crew alert, scanning the horizon for any signs of the mysterious beast. Day after day, they search, but the sea remains calm, until one fateful night. First sighting. Under the moonlit sky, the ocean glows with an eerie light. A massive shape emerges from the depths, moving silently through the water. The crew watches in shock. Could this be the legendary monster they've been chasing? The size, speed, and glow of the creature defy everything they know about marine life. Fear and curiosity grip the crew as they prepare for what happens next. The mysterious creature. The glowing figure moves with unnatural precision, too fast for any living thing. As it circles the ship, the water churns, sending waves crashing against the hull. Is this a beast of nature, or something created by man? Tensions rise as the crew prepares for a confrontation. The attack. Without warning, the monster surges forward. The ship is rocked by a powerful force. Commander Farragut shouts orders, cannons are fired, but the creature remains unharmed. It becomes clear that their weapons are useless against this mysterious entity. What they thought would be a battle for survival is quickly turning into a race against the unknown. A shocking discovery. Ned Land launches his harpoon with expert precision, but instead of piercing flesh, it strikes something solid. A hollow, metallic clang echoes across the sea. The crew realizes they are not facing a beast, but an enormous machine. This is no ordinary sea creature. It is something beyond their wildest imagination. The monster revealed. As dawn breaks, the so-called monster rises from the depths. It is not a living creature, but a magnificent submarine, unlike anything seen before. Its surface gleams in the sunlight, and its design is far beyond the technology of their time. The crew is left in awe. Who could have created such a marvel? And why is it lurking in the ocean, attacking ships? A deadly encounter. Before they can react, a powerful explosion erupts from the submarine. The ship is crippled, and many sailors are thrown overboard, struggling to stay afloat. The monster, or rather, the machine, has defenses far more advanced than anything they've encountered before. It is not an accident, this is an attack. Escape or surrender. With their vessel sinking and the mysterious submarine still lurking, the survivors must make a choice. Should they keep fighting, or surrender to the unknown? One thing is clear, they have entered a world far beyond their understanding. Lessons from the adventure. This thrilling tale teaches us important lessons. Curiosity can lead to great discoveries, but also great dangers. Not everything is as it seems, even the most terrifying legends may hide unexpected truths. The ocean is full of mysteries, some waiting to be explored, others best left undisturbed. What secrets does the deep ocean still hold? Could there be other unknown machines beneath the waves, just like the one they encountered? Conclusion. This journey reminds us of the power of the unknown and the spirit of adventure. Who, or what, was inside that submarine? Perhaps some mysteries of the deep are meant to remain unsolved.